Don't focus, zoom in and zoom out the camera.
Start.
So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So basically we are going to talk about few questions in chemistry. So let's discuss today's question. They are based on atomic structure. Okay, I'm going back. So basically let's see. This is the atomic structure. Atomic structure. People also, the board of CBSE students also say it as a structure of an atom. A structure of an atom. Okay, so basically what is our first question? Let's ask to him. So sir, what is our first question?
What I expect.
Okay, you expect much better from me. I will try my best.
Okay, formula for nucleus of atom.
That's not formula, you Bihari. Say it as a formula, okay?
Formula.
Yeah, that's
Sutra.
formula.
Sutra.
Yeah, I understand.
In
so,
Hindi.
Okay, don't discuss. Who gave the formula to calculate radius of an atom, okay?
Okay.
I'm right? So basically radius of an atom, R atom, the formula to calculate was given by Rutherford, okay? He came after the scientist, that is Rutherford, I mean. So he came after the Thomson and he gave many things about the nucleus of an atom, where he described that nucleus atom is nearly about 10 to the power minus 15 meter. He also gave a formula to calculate it, but people are using it in a wrong way. They are not calculating, they are misusing the formula, okay? So basically there the formula is R nucleus is equal to R naught. Here R naught is a constant 1.3 to 10 to the power minus 15. It is small nucleus of the smallest cell, that is hydrogen, okay? And basically where you put the mass number, okay? Mass number and 1 to the power 3, that's 1 by 3 any cubic root, okay? So basically next question, let's discuss fast.
Who calculate specific charge of electron?
So the question asking that who calculated the specific charge of an electron? What is specific charge? The E by M ratio of any body is known as specific charge. So basically Thomson calculated the specific charge of electron. Then Millikan's all doctor experiment give the charge. Then he used the he used the specific charge given by Thomson to calculate his charge. Okay. So he also did a good experiment. I like that experiment too much. Okay, very much. Okay, so basically asking the question here, the question asking that who gave this formula to calculate a specific charge. So specific charge was calculated of electron. Okay, so sorry, just like write like this, and E by M of electron is equal to 1.7. No, never do this, wrong. Okay, 9.58 into 10 to the power minus 15. It was given by Thomson. Next question.
Millikan's
All drop experiment.
Charge on electron.
So basically true and false. It is question greater and true or false. It is asking that Millikan's oil drop experiment gave us the charge on electron. So basically it is true, because why? What Millikan saw in his experiment? He dropped the body which was charged particles, okay, and he tried to see that what force is acting on that body. So basically first one acting was gravitational force toward the earth, and second which was acting to it was the drag force opposite side, and the third one was acting again to the downside, that was electrostatic force. So basically So basically what the question was asking? Tell me again.
Millikan's oil drop gas.
Okay. Millikan's oil drop experiment. Then in front is right to be that. Millikan's oil drop experiment. So इससे दो चीजें हमको मिली थी. What I got from here? Firstly, we got that forces acting on charged particle. Forces acting on charged body. And second, we have got that charge on E minus. Next question, please.
What are said to be isoelectronic?
Isoelectronic. So basically the question is asking, guys, what are known as isoelectronic? You have referred many things as isotopes, isobars, isodiaphers, isostars. So one of the similar terms here is usually isoelectronic. Okay. So you can here guess that isoelectronic also they are present isoelectronic. So you can see that here electron in the word. Okay. And iso means similar. Iso means same or similar. So the number of in a species given, if there are numbers of electrons similar, same, equal, then we say that 2 body, 3 body as an isoelectronic species. Okay. So here goes our discussion. Any next question further?
Yes.
Oh, ask me the next question, please.
Calculate a specific charge of the alpha particle.
Okay.
Alpha particle.
Okay, I am going to calculate that. Please don't shout. So here is the thing to calculate the specific charge of alpha particle. So what is alpha particle? Alpha particle is helium 2 plus, huh? And what is the number of helium, hydrogen and helium? It comes to the second number. So basically it is 2 and 4. Meaning helium is 2 and 4. So if you calculate that, there are electron, proton and neutron. Okay. So you will come to know that there are no electrons. Meaning 0 electrons and 2 proton and 2 neutron. This make the charge 4. Okay. This is mass. So basically E by M ratio. What is that? E by M ratio. So there is no charge. Okay, sorry. How many electrons are there? What is E? Charge. Am I right? So here we came to know that there are two positive charge. Helium 2 plus nuclei. So there is 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And what is mass? So mass will take 4 into 1 unit mass. Okay. So that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. E by m ratio. Then that is coulomb per kg, na? Then how it is coming here E by m?
इलेक्ट्रॉन पर मास होता है ना
चार्ज पर मास. Yeah, that's coulomb per kg. Right. I was thought it is stop. So basically here you can know that 1 by 2. Okay. We are there said that 1 by 2 and here is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and 7 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So this is charge and this is mass. And you can see that the proton charge and mass is approximately equally to this, or not equal to this. What? The mass of proton. So basically we can write that E by m of alpha particle is equal to 1 by 2 E by m of proton. And if you want to further calculate this, then simply you can do that 9.58 into 10 to the power minus 7. Sorry. Upon 7 coulomb per kg and divide by 2. Okay. We will get here 4.74. Yeah. 4.74 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg. That's the right answer. So basically this is for today. Jai Hind.